South Africans, but not only black South Africans. The DA is for white South Africans, but not only white South Africans. The DA is for colored South Africans, but not only colored South Africans. The DA is for Indian South Africans, but not only Indian South Africans. For together, we build a united rainbow nation that is for all South Africans. I reiterate that the views frequently expressed on Twitter and so many social medias are not shared by so many South Africans. And as I walk the streets even of Nelson Mandela Bay, the people are saying to us, we see that you want us to be together, and we are better together. Fellow South Africans, I don't believe that whilst others might say there's a complete shutdown or delegitimization of white South Africans, I don't believe that that is true. I think it can be incredibly damaging to us as a party and to society as a whole to persist with this narrative. Because in fact, if we put forward these arguments, it only serves to put us in opposite corners. It serves, in fact, to force us to defend our corners, and therefore to perpetuate attitudes of superiority and inferiority. This, fellow South Africans, will lead us to fall straight into the hands of our opponents. And make no mistake, we must, without doubt, engage the debate and the issue on race. But to do so is to appeal to the best of our humanity, not to our worst. To appeal to our hopes, not to our fears. And in fact, to build a dialogue born out of discourse that says we can stand and we will build a nation of both black and white and oppose any stance that produces a domination of one race by another. These are ideals we must pursue and we must continue to fight for. We are not entering into a race of a contest between minorities and majorities. We are a party that says it can never be either or. It must always be both and therefore we are a party of majorities and minorities, a party of labor and business, a party of black and white, rich and poor, urban and rural, and South Africa.